Welcome back. It's steak night here at Navigate the Wild, and tonight we're going to make a chimichurri sauce that goes along with some ribeye steak that we're going to grill on the coals, as well as some venison steaks. Chimichurri is an Argentinian sauce. It's fresh and zesty, it pairs well with any protein source, and tastes even better the following day in my opinion. Some like to add shallots or parsley to the mix. Before we do anything to these steaks, meaning season them, put olive oil on them, do whatever that you like to do, I wanted to kind of show the difference between wild game meat, primarily venison, as well as a ribeye steak that's a beef steak. This is a USDA choice ribeye steak that I got from our local grocery store. This is going to be a phenomenal piece of meat, but it's a sick animal. They fatten these cows up with grain and corn to get all this beautiful marbling, and don't get me wrong, it tastes phenomenal. I'm going to enjoy every bite of this steak. But then you move over here and we've tenderized all this stuff. You can see my tenderizer marks through there, but you can have steaks off venison and it be just as tender as stuff you're going to buy at the grocery store. So we're going to put our ribeye on first, on nice and hot, get a good sear on it because that's going to take the longest. Our venison game is going to go over. I like it medium to medium rare. It's important to have charcoal on 1/2. That way you've got a nice hot side and you've got a warm side where you can move meat around once it's done. Our venison steaks are going to cook the fastest, and you do not want to overcook game meat. It's going to keep cooking while it's off the heat. So 120 degrees, we're pulling this bad boy off. Dinner is served. We've got some ribeye. We've got some venison. We're going to dish this up and eat it, and we're going to eat like kings and queens tonight.